This is my SMC MOV with the pewter bracket and the silver stencil. This one, I don't know the rarity of it, but I'd have to say this is an early 90s product. Here, let's turn it on the low. Pretty nice fan. Medium. This thing really starts to pick up on the medium speed. Now for the high. Here's high with the light on. Yeah, this thing kicks butt. It's moving a crap ton of air. Moves more air than whatever the hell they're making nowadays. Well, thank you for watching. I'm going to leave this on because this house is hot as balls. The freaking video will end.